In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button on Wix. We'll start right inside the Wix website editor so you can follow along. Once your site is open, look to the left toolbar and select the option that opens the element library, then choose Button. This brings up the full gallery of button types, starting with themed buttons that automatically match your site's design. Take a moment to explore the categories. You'll see text and icon buttons, which combine labels with small graphics, and icon buttons for clean, minimalist actions. There are image buttons if you want a visual thumbnail to act as a call to action, plus document buttons and upload buttons for file interactions. You'll also find specialized options like an iTunes button for media, a Wix chat button to prompt conversations, and pay buttons, including PayPal buttons for quick transactions. Browsing these helps you pick the button that fits your goal and branding. When you're ready, choose a themed button and add it to the page. Click to place it, then drag to position it exactly where you want. With the button selected, open Settings. Here you control the button's content and behavior. Choose text only if you want a straightforward label, text and icon for a more visual prompt, or icon only if space is tight or your design is icon-led. You can toggle among these options to see what looks best with your layout and color scheme. Next, set the button's link. If you're not ready to link yet, select None. For external destinations, pick Web Address and paste your URL. To navigate within the same page, choose Section or Anchor, or use Top/Bottom of Page for quick jumps. Document lets you open a file download, and Email can start a new message in the visitor's email client. You can also link to a phone number to enable tap to call on mobile, or trigger a pop-up if you've designed one in your site. Select the option that matches what you want the button to do. A few tips while you fine-tune. Use themed buttons to stay consistent with your site's fonts and colors. Ensure strong contrast for readability, and keep labels action-oriented, like Get Started or Download. If you added an icon, choose one that reinforces the action without clutter. When everything looks good, click Publish to push the changes live, and then click Done. That's it. Your new Wix button is ready.